Alam nyo, nakakatawa kayo yung mga DDS, no? You're claiming victory, well, it's not, no? In fact, kung papakinggan nyo yung sinasabi ni Chis Escudero, hindi po ito dismissal. Kung titingnan nyo ang infomercial ng ABS-CBN, makikita nyo na ang sabi, Senate returns the article of impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte to the House of Representatives to seek clarification kung may na-violate ba. Pangalawa, the House of Representatives 20th Congress communicate to Senate if it's still willing and ready to pursue the case. Ano yung importante dito? Ang question is to the 20th Congress. Ibig sabihin, this will continue. That means the proposal states that pwedeng idiretso o ituloy ang impeachment kahit na 20th Congress na. This is one thing na ayaw, natakot ang mga ibang ibang senators kasi baka mamaya 19th Congress tapos na, 'di ba? Pag natapos ang 19th Congress, end kagad, 'di ba? Pero dito, ibig sabihin pwede mapunta sa 20th Congress. So katulad ng sabi ko, Senate President and Presiding Officer Francis Escudero clears return the articles to the House of Representatives does not mean that the impeachment case is dismissed. So, ibig sabihin talagang hindi siya dismissed. In fact, today, the summons are issued and Sara Duterte needs to reply within 10 days and the House can subsequently reply within 5 days. Ibig sabihin, hindi na stop yung process. The process continues. Actually, nabasa ko rin tong comment ni Anthony Contreras, no? Saying that, actually, Cayetano at saka si Escudero in-entrap ang mga pro-Duterte senators because the proposal of Bato de la Rosa initially is to dismiss. Pero ang nangyari ngayon, natanggal sa option yung dismiss. It's just to put it back to or give it back to House of Representatives or we will proceed with the hearing. So, kung titingnan mo, generally, nawala yung dismissed. So, anong gini-enjoy ng mga DDS? 'Di ba? In fact, kung makikita mo si Bato de la Rosa, nagrereklamo pa nga siya na parang ang nangyayari napupunta kay Cayetano yung para achievement, no, instead of sa kanya. Actually, kung hindi siya tinulungan ni Cayetano and yung mga ibang mga senator pa, for sure yung dismiss would be probably 5 or 6.